You know, I have this saying about anchored VWAP. I think they're great. The problem with them is if you put them everywhere, you can VWAP all over yourself. So you have to pick areas. For me, it's time, like the beginning of the year or the beginning of a quarter, and it's also peaks. And this was the last great peak that you had. And you could see that we rejected that level. Okay, that level's been rejected. Now, I don't think it's a coincidence that you didn't close over it. Okay, so I didn't close over it any of the times I got near it. I have to watch this. I'm not short this. You could come in tomorrow and this could be up because you have a reminder, you have AMD tomorrow with earnings. So you could absolutely be up, but you need to be aware of that line and you need to close over this. Now, if you close over that, that is the first time you've closed over this since back here in March. Let me just show you something so that you can kind of wrap your head around this. So, and let's put an anchored VWAP up here at the top. So this anchored VWAP that's up here at the top, you can kind of see how we broke out up here, and that was the single largest move that it ever had. So could you see a push like that? You very well could. I mean, technically you could see a push all the way up to here to 225 and still be in a downtrend. It's very, very achievable, right? I mean, by the time you get up there, you're also at the downward trend line. So it's very doable, but you have to see that. And for me, when you reject like this and you're in a downtrend, you need to pay attention. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.